adding also some vanilla and some rose water. The rose water is very potent, you know, very strong. You just have to be very careful so that it doesn't overpower. And adding some cinnamon powder, and look at my little girl there, just stirring well. I am adding in these spices, and then I'm adding some milk. You know, I don't like the porridge too sweet, so of course I didn't use all of this milk. I think I used something that was already open. And then I'm adding some sugar. You see, I didn't use all of the sugar, so you know, that is why I didn't want to be too strict with the measurements, because it's you know, according to somebody's taste and their diet, you know. So some people might not even want to add sugar. You know, you can just add whatever you like. You don't even have to add sweetener if it is that you don't want that. And the king of everything here is my nutmeg, which I grated. And I know for sure that nutmeg is grown in Jamaica, and you can get it different West Indian stores and other parts of the world. So of course the porridge is finished, and now is the best time. The best time has arrived, guys, the eating part. So if you're watching, you've made it to